don't know, Shika Chung, and I'm back at it again with another video. In today's video, it is a Vlogmas day... What is it? Day 8? Oh my goodness. Okay, it's Vlogmas day 8. Oh my god, I was about to say 7. So guys, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shika. Yeah, and you don't know, we are gonna get into this video. Today's video, we will be discussing the must-have meals for Christmas in a Jamaican household, or if you're Jamaican or anything to be with Jamaican, anything to deal with Jamaica. These are the must-have meals for breakfast, lunch, although we don't really do lunch on Christmas Day, and dinner. So if you guys want to hear about what we always have or what is normal to have, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna jump right into breakfast. So for breakfast, one of the main dishes to have on your plate, ackee and salt fish. If you don't have ackee and salt fish Christmas morning, wanna deal with. Ackee and salt fish is a must on a Jamaican Christmas day. The next item that you should have on your plate, plantain, fried plantain. It don't matter if it's cut like this, if it cuts so, if it cut, plantain is plantain. As long as you have a nice sweet piece of plantain, ripe plantain on your plate, yeah, you know you're in a Jamaican household, and yeah, you're having a Jamaican Christmas breakfast, okay? Okay, so the next item that I have, some people don't really like it, but most people love it. Breadfruit, whether it roast or it fry, or it roast then fry like how I like it. Y'all need to have that on breakfast on a Jamaican Christmas day. Yeah, breadfruit, it's nice with the ackee and salt fish. It goes well together, right? So the next item I have, fried dumpling. Yeah, my favorite. I love fried dumpling so much. I just feel like if you do not have fried dumpling on Christmas Day in a Jamaican household, you ain't saying nothing. You're not Jamaican. Like, take away your status, you're not Jamaican, your background's not Jamaican. Yeah. So the next item I have is kalaloo. Yeah, get your iron level up with kalaloo on a Jamaican Christmas morning. I just feel like the kalaloo just complements the fried dumpling, and if you have a piece of breadfruit or you have the ackee, it complements the whole meal together, and it's really good, and it's full of iron. So get that in your system on Christmas Day in a Jamaican household. Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you guys about the drinks that you should be having Christmas morning. We wanna drink stuff hot, you know, because you know gas full up with belly in the morning. We don't want that in the night. We can't even eat our Christmas dinner because gas in our belly, right? So to belch and pop the gas, we're gonna drink hot cocoa. And for those who don't know what cocoa is, it's just hot chocolate. It's just chocolate. We make it from the cocoa bean or whatnot, and we put nutmeg in it. You can grate some cinnamon, anything. Yeah, it tastes real nice, and you sweeten it with condensed milk, and so good. So if you're having a Jamaican Christmas, make sure that you guys have hot cocoa to drink. If you guys are not hot chocolate or hot cocoa lovers, you guys can drink coffee, which is another alternative for a hot drink on Christmas morning in a Jamaican household. Yeah, you guys can drink your nice coffee and sweeten with condensed milk. And if you guys don't like any of this stuff, you guys can just drink mint tea or so, but hot cocoa and coffee is a must-have on Christmas Day in Jamaica. All right guys, we're gonna talk about the lunch. Normally, I know in my household we don't really eat no lunch because we are save we belly for dinner, because you know so dinner that time that you eat whole heap, so we don't really eat lunch. But if you guys want a lunch idea, I would recommend going with soup, manish water. If you guys don't know what manish water is like goat head soup. Personally, I don't drink manish water. I don't like it, but a lot of Jamaican people drink manish water when it comes to holiday time, and you know when anything is special, or you know a special day, a special holiday, manish water. So I would recommend drinking manish water for your lunch. Okay guys, we're gonna jump into dinner time. So you already know that this is the time when you're normally with your family and everybody excited to see each other, everybody ready for eat, you know them, you know, you've been saving your belly for this moment. This year, oh God, the Christmas parties ain't happening. So if you guys cannot go to your parents' house if you're young, or if you just can't group up together, make these, okay? So the first thing I have on the list is curry goats. If you guys don't have curry goat on Christmas Day, what are you saying? You don't need little curry on Christmas. It's very important to have curry on Christmas. Curry goat, yeah, that is my number one meal for dinner. The next item is oxtail. What is Christmas without oxtail? Not everybody really eat oxtail because it's kind of expensive, but it's a special day. I just feel like you should treat yourself or your family for at least one day in the year. If you can't really afford oxtail, or if you don't, you know, you just not really buy it for Christmas. Oxtail is a important one. What's Christmas without chicken, right? So we have two options. We have fried chicken or curry chicken. As I said, curry is necessary on Christmas Day. So whether it's fried chicken or whether it's curry chicken or it's the two, whichever, it's very important to have chicken on Christmas Day. So the next item is ham. Oh my God, a lot of people in Jamaica, they eat ham on Christmas Day. I don't eat ham because I don't eat pork, but ham is a traditional piece of meal that people eat for dinner on Christmas. So they have the ham, and then they put like pineapple, and then they put a cherry in between the pineapple. And yeah, that's how they make it. And they roast it in the oven or wherever they roast it. If you're there in Jamaica, however you roast it. If you're there foreign, in the oven is fine. So yeah, ham, important, a must have on Christmas Day in a Jamaican household. The next item could be jerk pork. It also goes with the ham, like just jerk pork. Some people love pork, so they want to make sure that they have jerk pork on Christmas Day. So that's another must-have for those who eat pork. So the next item, what is Christmas without gungo peas and rice? Okay, rice and peas, gungo peas and rice, right? Normally, you would eat like red peas, like kidney bean, whatever you want to call it, and rice. But on Christmas, we're gonna eat gungo peas, also known as pigeon peas. It's a must-have on Christmas Day. It just ties in all the meal. Yeah, what's Christmas without gungo peas and rice? All right, guys. So the next item is, so we got the carrots and cabbage coleslaw. So if you guys ever seen, like, if you guys don't really know what I'm talking about, it's when you grate the carrot and the cabbage together, so it's like orange and white. If you guys ever seen that coleslaw, that's what I'm talking about. That is a must-have on Christmas Day. Must have it. Just make the food taste nice. I want a little bit of curry touch on it. Oh God. And then you put little vinegar and put little sugar for it to taste. Oh my goodness. Guys, must have on Christmas Day. Oh, the other vegetable option is just a regular salad. Like, what's a meal on Christmas Day without eating a salad? Just something nice and crispy and fresh and just nice on your plate to just make your plate look pretty and, you know, a well-balanced meal. What's Christmas without a nice salad? So that is a must-have on Christmas Day in a Jamaican household. For the drink options for Christmas, y'all better know what I'm gonna talk about right now in a Jamaican household. Let me make no guess right now. Guess what me I gonna say? Alright, you got it right. Sorrel. What is a Jamaican Christmas without nice, gingery sorrel drink? Guys, if you don't know what sorrel is, or if you haven't drank sorrel or you don't know how to make sorrel, I have a video of me making sorrel, so check out that video. But yeah, what's a Jamaican Christmas without sorrel? And you can put little rum in it if you get a little buzz, you see it. Sorrel is like the number one drink for a Jamaican Christmas. You have to have it in your household. You have to have it during the whole holiday season, and you have to drink it on Christmas Day. Next item as a drink on Christmas Day is rum punch. So if you guys, for those who don't really like sorrel, you guys can drink rum punch or like fruit punch mixed with some rum and stuff like that. It's so delicious and it's so good and it is a must-have. But as I said before, the sorrel is the #1 must-have drink for Jamaican Christmas. Another drink option is carrot juice. Guys, who does not drink carrot juice on a special day? Like, carrot juice is a must-have on Christmas Day. You need that. Like, you have to drink it in a Jamaican household in Jamaica. Like, it just, my God, it just tastes so nice. And sometimes you can put a little bit of rum in it, and it just, you need it on Christmas Day. And for the last drink option, I have eggnog. Who doesn't love eggnog? I know a lot of people don't like eggnog, but eggnog is a must-have drink. You can drink it in the morning if you want, but you can drink it at night. But eggnog is so good. You can make eggnog rum cream. So you have eggnog and you mix it with some rum cream or Baileys or something to make it, you know, a little bit buzzy. But eggnog is a must-have drink on Christmas Day. And then the last section, but not least, is, you know, if you got a sweet tooth, you need some dessert, right? And the #1 dessert, you guys already know. If you're Jamaican, you already know what the #1 dessert is for Christmas. The #1 dessert is rum cake. Whatever you guys call it, rum cake, black cake, fruit cake, it no matter. Rum cake is the must-have dessert of the Christmas holiday, whatever you guys want to call it, that season. Rum cake in a Jamaican household is necessary. You have to have it. If you don't have it, no bother celebrate Christmas. Don't bother celebrate the holidays if you guys don't celebrate Christmas. No bother think about holiday or having no holiday or keep no holiday session at your house, because it's not a holiday without a nice slice rummified rum cake. Yes, guys. And then the last but not least dessert that you guys can eat is pudding. Whether it's sweet potato pudding or cornmeal pudding, very necessary on your dessert table for Christmas in a Jamaican household. Guys, I am getting so hungry just talking about all these meals that you guys can have in for Christmas in a Jamaican household. So yeah, this list is a must-have list in a Jamaican household for Christmas or holiday dinner. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure that you guys like, comment, share with your mother, your father, your sister, your uncle, everybody. Yeah. And stay tuned for my Vlogmas Day 9. Thanks for watching.